So when you've reached the desired length, you knit until your stitch marker, and then you can remove that. And then you can cut a length of yarn that will be enough for the bind off. That will make it easier to move the pocket to the inside of your cardigan, because currently it's on the outside. So cut your yarn, and then you can push your pocket through to the inside. Obviously being careful not to drop your stitches. There we go. So now that you've got your pocket on the inside of your cardigan, we're going to do a 3-needle bind off. And for that you need a 3rd needle. So first of all, divide your stitches evenly so that you have the same amount of stitches on both needles. In my case, I've got 28 stitches in total, so I've got 14 stitches on each needle. Now the 3rd needle bind off will give you a really nice stable seam that will be very useful for if you want to secure your pocket to the inside of your cardigan. Alright, now grab your 3rd needle, and then what you're going to do is you're going to insert your needle into the first stitch on the first needle and into the first stitch on the second needle, and then knit them together like so, and then do the same with the second stitch. Knit them, slide it off. Now you've got 2 stitches on your 3rd needle, and you can use one of your needles to then bind off as usual, a normal standard bind off method, removing the first stitch over the second stitch. And you continue doing that until the end. The reason that you do this on the inside of the cardigan, so by turning it inside out, is that the seam is on the inside of the cardigan as well. So when you put your hands in your pockets, you will not have that hard ridge, but you'll have a nice soft line on the inside. And then you get to your last stitch, and you bind that off the way you usually would. And that's it. Your seam will look like this, and it'll be nice and easy to use these stitches if you wanted to attach your pocket to the inside of your cardigan. And there we have it.